everyone, welcome back to Sunny Life Shine. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Uzalo from the 13th to the 17th of November of January 2025 on Monday. Babekazi refuses to let her grandchild go out of her sight. Prince desperately wants to fix his mistake. He's ready to do anything. Mzamo buys a gun on Tuesday. Kunzi is not impressed when Kazimulo finally speaks up. Hao is unable to contain his excitement when his actions are reciprocated, and Prince's effort don't go unnoticed on Wednesday. Kazimulo plays a game that threatens to jeopardize his brother's role in the Mhlongo family. Prince outsources a CV writer who decorates his resume with few and trust, while the pressure to keep a promise to start mount on Mbata on Thursday. The act of retaliation nearly ruins an important event. The Insizwa are enraged when they discover a damning piece of information Mercedes Cham failed to get him a good girl. On Friday, Insizwa shows no mercy in extorting Ogogo while Nkunzi gets Imbeleko ceremony for his grandchildren underway. Prince asks DK for a lifeline. Mzamo dismisses Klezipi, who comes to ask for a favor. Well guys, this is all I have for today. Can leave your comment below and share your opinion.